We are here setting up and installing the IoT network devices. This is the People Counter device, wireless connection with long-range communication. This smart device will count people in and out of the building and also can be used to improve the occupancy of the building. As you see, easy to install. This is the holder. We can screw on the wall or also, as we are doing, using tape, no disruption, and attending the client requests. This is the other people counter, so they will communicate with each other. And these are not using any camera or data collection, so no issues regarding the European GDPR. And as you see, no cables needed.